Business owners, have you ever wished you could reply to every message the moment it arrives? On Facebook Messenger, on your website, everywhere your customers are. Because right now, messages are coming in, but most of them are not turning into sales. Introducing Synthetic AI, your human-like AI agent that talks, listens, and responds like you. Not just a chatbot, not just automation, but your AI conversation engine built to engage, guide, and convert. Chat, connect, close, all in one place. Now your Facebook Messenger becomes a 24/7 sales machine. Every message handled instantly, every conversation moving toward a result. And it doesn't stop there. Every lead, every interaction, captured, tracked, and managed inside a powerful built-in CRM. So your AI doesn't just talk, it converts. For business owners, marketers, freelancers, agencies, imagine being everywhere at once, replying instantly, building trust, closing more deals. Your AI speaks naturally, understands intent, and responds like a real human. On Messenger, on your website, on direct chat links. Need live chat? It's there. Need automation? Done. Need growth? Built in. This is not basic AI. This is synthetic AI, where conversations turn into customers. Be everywhere. Reply instantly. Convert more. Synthetic AI. Launching on April 17th, 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. From the desk of Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh. Human connections made simple.